Visit us on onestepenglish.com.
Business English. Fashion.
Let's learn English. Today, we are going to learn some words that are related to fashion.
We will give some examples, so you will understand each vocabulary.
Fashion designer. It refers to a professional who creates and designs a new style of clothes. Fashion designer. Here's an example.
Gina told me that you're a fashion designer too. Yes, but I only have a few clients.
Fashion show. This is where designers showcase their creation. Fashion show. Here's an example.
The client wants us to organize their fashion show next month.
Do they have a theme or any request?
Latest collection. It means the newest collection of clothes. Latest collection. Here's an example.
Would you like to see the latest collection? Yes, of course.
Model. Refers to a person who poses to display clothing, either on stage or in photographs. Model. Here's an example. Have you tried calling the model? She's almost late.
Yes. She told me she'll be here in 5 minutes.
Fashion critics. Refers to people who analyze and comment on the outfit or individual pieces. Fashion critics. Here's an example.
What did the fashion critics say about the dress?
They actually like it. You should read the reviews.
Outfit. Refers to a combination of clothes, shoes, and accessories. Outfit. Here's an example.
I need an outfit for a party tomorrow. Can we go shopping today? All right. After I finish this.
Must have. It means that a piece or a garment is essential. Must have. Here's an example.
Try these new shoes. It's really comfortable, that's why it's a must-have. Really? Okay, I'll try them on.
Timeless. Refers to a style that is always fashionable throughout the years. Timeless. Here's an example.
Your dress is timeless. It really looks good on you.
My mother gave this dress to me. Thank you.
Vintage. It is commonly used to refer to all old styles of clothing. Vintage. Here's an example.
I want you to look for some vintage clothes for this production.
Do you have any specific era as an inspiration?
Let's practice your English.
Ready your pen and paper, then try to answer the exercise.
Choose the correct answer.
Gina told me that you're a 2.
Letter A. Fashion designer.
Letter B. Latest collection.
Letter C. Outfit.
The correct answer is letter A. Fashion designer. Gina told me that you're a fashion designer, too.
The client wants us to organize their next month.
Letter A. Model.
Letter B. Fashion show.
Letter C. Vintage.
The correct answer is letter B. Fashion show. The client wants us to organize their fashion show next month.
Would you like to see the
Letter A. Must have.
Letter B. Fashion critics.
letter C. Latest collection. The correct answer is letter C. Latest collection. Would you like to see the latest collection? Have you tried calling the "She's almost late"?
Letter A. Model.
Letter B. Outfit.
Letter C. Timeless.
The correct answer is letter A. Model. Have you tried calling the model? She's almost late.
What did the say about the dress?
Letter A. Must have.
Letter B. Fashion critics.
Letter C. Fashion show.
The correct answer is letter B. Fashion critics. What did the fashion critics say about the dress?
I need an for a party tomorrow. Can we go shopping today?
Letter A. Latest collection.
Letter B. Timeless.
Letter C. Outfit. The correct answer is letter C. Outfit. I need an outfit for a party tomorrow. Can we go shopping today? Try these new shoes. It's really comfortable, that's why it's A.
Letter A. Must have.
Letter B. Vintage.
Letter C. Fashion designer.
The correct answer is letter A. Must have. Try these new shoes. It's really comfortable, that's why it's a must have.
Your dress is. It really looks good on you.
Letter A. Fashion show.
Letter B. Timeless.
Letter C. Fashion critics.
The correct answer is letter B. Timeless. Your dress is timeless. It really looks good on you.
I want you to look for some clothes for this production.
Letter A. Fashion designer.
Letter B. Model.
Letter C. Vintage. The correct answer is letter C. Vintage. I want you to look for some vintage clothes for this production.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.